Nested conditionals allow sub-decisions to be made by indenting conditional statements underneath other conditional statements.
Let's take a look at nested conditionals indenting. If we run this first if statement and it evaluates to true, the code indented will run. In this case, we see further if statements. If the second indented if statement evaluates to true, then the code underneath that will run. This means we can run a series of questions. Let's look at the example below. We have a number that we assume will either be 1, 2, or 3 for the code below. The first if statement checks, is the number greater than or equal to 2? Starting number with 1, it is not greater equal to 2, and so the if statement moves to the matching else statement and prints the number as 1. Let's run the code. If we set the number to 2, we expect to enter the code under the first if statement, because 2 is greater than or equal to 2. The second if statement says, is the number greater than 2? No. So the else statement runs and it prints the number is 2. With 3, we get the number is 3 by being greater than 2 and then greater than 2 again. We can also review this flowchart that is included in the notebook. Here we start with a question whether we want a cheese or veggie sandwich. If you want a cheese sandwich, then you can continue to ask another question. So this, if it's true, we can go to this nested if statement and then ask the type of cheese. Let's look at the code. Here we ask for input, whether we want cheese or veggie. And we check if it's asked for cheese, then we can run the code below and ask the type of cheese. If I ask for cheese, then I can say I want manchego cheese. And then it gives me my manchego cheese sandwich. I can run the code again. I can ask for a veggie sandwich. And it gives me my vegetable special. Nested if conditionals allow us to make sub-decisions in our code.